Hey, it's Andrew Canavan from Whissel Realty here in San Diego. I'm in downtown at my brand new listing on 500 West Harbor Drive, the Cityfront Terrace building. It's a beautiful penthouse, fully renovated condo, and this building has some amazing amenities. Let's go check it out. This condo was just recently renovated with some of the highest end materials, from the quartz waterfall countertops, backsplash and walls, to the amazing kitchen appliances. In addition to that, we have real hardwood throughout the entire home, and in the bathrooms, you'll see matching luxurious tile on the floors and the walls. There's also recessed lighting throughout the home and an amazing sound system. This complex also features some amazing amenities. 2 swimming pools, including a full-size lap pool, 2 lounges in the 2 lobbies, a fully equipped fitness center and yoga room with showers and saunas, a barbecue and outdoor area with a spa, space for entertaining known as the Citrus Room with a full bar and kitchen, and a 24/7 concierge that even includes valet parking. This condo really has it all. The best part is the amazing view that you have from the 13th floor of downtown San Diego and the San Diego Bay. Once again, I'm Andrew Canavan from Whissel Realty. If you would like a private tour or more information about this amazing property, reach out to me below.